great looking classic 1936 Ford 5-window coupe. Still has a very stock look to it. When you fire it up, hear that flat head run. Got a little rumble to it though. So let's call it a little bit of a hot rod, but again, very classic look to it. Paint is nice shape on this one. Very nice driver quality car. Get in it, turn the key, and go. All metal car. Like I said, there is a flat head underneath the hood. That's paired with a manual transmission. If you'd like to check out the undersides of this, see how solid a car this really is, check out the interior, engine bay. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you have any questions on this vehicle, feel free to give us a call to 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer anything we can for you. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available on these classics. And of course, we can assist with the transportation to where you're located at. Beautiful lines in these 36s, just the old classic Ford look. Many of them hot rodded. As you can see, this one's got some dual tailpipes coming off the back, a little telltale sign it's going to have a little rumble to it. Trunk is finished off nicely, interior is finished off nicely, red banjo steering wheel in there, riding on the wide whites as you can see, with the highlighted red wheels, center caps. So that great late 30s, early 40s look. You can see how straight the car is too, up and down it, nice luster to the paint. Nothing to hide on this one. Let's go ahead and check out this interior, see how nice that is also. There you go, there's the red banjo steering wheel. Door cards, interior, very nicely finished. Vinyl, kind of checkerboard sewing on it. Nice look. Let's go ahead and fire this up, see how easily it starts and how nice this thing runs. I guess that's still a flat head underneath the hood. Go ahead and flip the on switch there. There we go. Retains a stock looking dash, gauges, little aftermarket light switch, move the dash there. Headliner also in nice shape. This is one you won't have to worry about taking to a show. Your cruise ins. It's out for a nice little cruise. Listen to that rumble out of that fuel exhaust. That little flatty runs nice. A little rumble to it, that old hot rod sound. I'm going to come up here and pause the video a second. We'll pop the hood and let's check out that flathead underneath there and see how nice that end compartment is. Alright, got both sides of the hood popped there. There's that flatty underneath there. Done up very nicely, electric fan, helps with cooling, dual carb sitting on top of the manifold. Got plug wires and some accents underneath there, but just a nice looking engine bay, and you can see how smooth that thing runs. Flip around to this side so you can see it from the passenger side also. Great running flathead. Once again, check out those still pictures. Undersides, interior, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Of course, our number 507-386-1726. Have any questions about this? As always, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation of 36 Ford 5-window coupe to where you're located at. Give us a call.